Welcome to Bathroom Week. Come take a look.
Carl,
Yeah.
what have Robbie and Matt done in this room to make it feel so big?
Opening the ceiling space, maximum height, maximum length, maximum width, allowing the skylight to bring in the natural light. Floods the room, it looks fantastic.
Hand in can?
And can.
Bathroom week.
Bathroom Week.
This one is very different. What I love about this skylight is these soft curves or soft finishing around the edges. How did you achieve that?
Plastic, CSR, bullnose edging, all the way around. Our plaster is pushed around the corners. At the side, we've got hard body mouldings.
What have Brit and Taz done in this room to make it different to all the other houses?
Brit and Taz specifically asked for a venting skylight, so they moved the skylight further down the roof to get the skylight more central over the drain.
The point of the opening skylight is that's going to enable us to dry our towels, keep the wet room floor dry, and get rid of anything that's going to create that mouldy environment.
100%.
What makes Ben and Emma's house so unique this week?
The skylight captures the tree, at night they've got the stars, all about views from this bathroom.
Personally for me, I love this bathroom. I couldn't imagine anything better than being in my bath and looking up and connecting with that sky. What a perfect use of a VELUX. We are in Alicia and Sunny's bathroom, and one of the things I've been noticing a lot lately is when you're facing the neighbouring property, the use of privacy glass.
Privacy glass restricts light, where a skylight will bring in 3 times as much light as a vertical window.
Amazing, all while keeping privacy from those neighbours.
Correct, spot on. If you like what you see on this season of The Block, click the link for a measuring quote.